Ugh. I'm full. I don't think I can eat this bread. I would rather feed it to the seagulls instead. Now to get these dishes back to the food counter.
I shall order myself lunch. Oh my God. Seagulls. And they're about to pet me too.
Oh snap. Seagulls are on the boardwalk. I must get out of here.
I have to help my father with stuff. Oh shoot. Seagulls. I'm telling my mom.
Oh my God.
What's
you
your
okay,
character?
Compass?
What happened? I saw 4 seagulls eating custard on toast and I'm scared of it.
Me too. I almost fell down because of the seagulls.
Good thing we ran away from it.
Don't worry, guys. I'll tell the boardwalk security.
Nereid's mother told the security that there were seagulls on the boardwalk eating bread. However, the security cameras caught Daly feeding the seagulls the bread. Let's watch what happens next.
Young lady, I've been getting complaints from these 6 people saying that there are seagulls on the boardwalk eating bread. However, they also say that someone is feeding the seagulls. Did you know this?
Yes, I did, because I was getting too full after eating lunch.
Well, guess what? You have been kicked out of the boardwalk. I will now take you home. Follow me to the police car now.
Now we can help Dad and the sisters.
Finally, now I can order my lunch.
When Daly and the officer arrived home.
What should I do today? Hello, officer. What brings you here, and why is Daly crying?
Daly fed the seagulls bread on the boardwalk.
Not again. She has explaining to do. Thank you, officer.
No problem, miss. Have a nice day.
Daly, explain why you fed the seagulls bread on the boardwalk.
I was too full after eating all this ramen on the bowl and don't feel like eating the bread. So I have to feed it to the seagulls.
It doesn't matter. It's against the rules to feed anything to the seagulls. But you did it, and you got kicked out of the boardwalk. You should have given your food to someone else instead. But no. Since you got kicked out of the boardwalk, you are banned from going to any boardwalks unless you are with your family. Oh, and you are grounded as well.
Oh great.